Stocked up on big brand supplements at home? Why not become their boss instead? Sound familiar? You follow the trend and buy XX oral liquid, XX protein powder. Now you've got piles of it sitting around. Can't finish it. Feel bad when it expires, but don't want to waste it either. Stop. Don't burn money anymore. Here's a power move. Let those big brand supplements work for you. Exclusive passive income model activated. Turn personal use into profit. Got too much stock? Flip it. Turn it into cash. Join with zero cost. No need to stock up or tie up your money. We supply authentic products. Fully legal and compliant. Operate with confidence. Chill and earn. Just post to your moments. Social media. Easily earn 3,000 yen plus a month in extra income. Special bonus. Free training group now open. We'll teach you step by step how to convert sales. Part-time or full-time. Totally up to you. Whether you're raising kids or working a day job, you can do this on the side. Perfect for people who want a side hustle but fear being scammed, feel their salary isn't enough and need a way out. Unlock your passive income journey now. Add me on WeChat. Gayo 767,301,666.